Namar ke jingjor palat ke jing Khaïi bean yu Dewiong nak ke Jylla bat ke jingjor ke jinglom khajna bean nak trok ke bayat akaleng ki surok ba ha ke Jylla Meghalaya. Hagani ke tayo ko wain kiseng bhalang jong rilom garo kalami syakhamat bandawa nak sarkar bantu klar mardor ya ke kambean. Kinong elam jong seng garo Indigenous Development Federation kilawan kiyo chakene konong ba shlong ban penpau syok sarkar halor kejing ia jengki beriau karilom garo. Ha kejing kendo beginong patai kubor hasilong press club ha ke arpo tarik mentau kula lengkot. Kadkum kejing ujor lagi dekat jong seng Golpara District Coal Exporters and Truck Owners Association. Itu bagajing dia bean ha kedor ke bahe ki calan ha keleng ke Jylla ke jurba ya kinong nya atrok ki bakam bagi dei ki bakit yukok. Kat ba ki dei ki trok ke bakit bean yu Dewiong bagi ki calan la dia ha kedor ke bah nyu phau hadok prapo hajar tengka kawai. Sekawai pat keba kinong Khaïi Dewiong bat kitrok Dewiong kila penpau kejing kadeh lor kejing jor palat kejing lom khajna bean lengba bon teli ki kherdop akaleng surok ba ke Jylla. Kenthop ru i pulet ha ke badan ki kherdop ki bo dor lai spa tengka san spa tengka hendru spa tengka khat san spa tengka ar hajar tengka nyo hajar tengka hado khat khandai hajar tengka. Kumta hadin balayo akan kejing ujor nagi nong elam jangka Golpara District Coal Exporters and Truck Owners Association. Kinong elam jong keseng garo Indigenous Development Federation kelia cakamat ban pensngo ikan ke sarkar. Namar kene kam omtang bagawan ra ekjing kinong Khaïi Dewiong ki Khaïi de kahok. Bat ya kinong nya atrok. Mereka kata rosibon ha kejing do nong kapla tengka jong ke sarkar Jylla.
So last time we have given a letter to Chief Minister also regarding this issue that illegal collection has been going on in at NH62. But still there is no initiative has been taken from the state government on 16 and 17. On 16 and 17, Saturday and Sunday, hundreds of trucks, or more than 400 trucks has been plied without challan and with challan, because after the press conference, they have already been been passed off all the vehicles before the inquiry. Then yesterday also 18 to 16 tyre trucks has been plying with this coal in the name of coke. But there is no initiative taken, neither there is a check from the DMR or MBI. It's a great embarrassment to the government again. So I ask the respected government, Meghalaya government, to take a strict action against this illegal plying trucks of in the name of coke, which is a great loss for the Meghalaya government also, revenue also. It's a leakage revenue. So the Golpara Truck Owners Association is very saddened, and they are very feel saddened because they are great loss in business also because of this illegal collection, and even for the coal owners as well as for the exporters also. So my request is that if the government should take a necessary against early as possible. Once again, I request to the state government of Meghalaya to take immediate action against the illegalities occurring in our Meghalaya state.